The spectator chooses any card in the deck. The magician takes that card and changes it. This trick requires 2 cards, preferably different colours. Place one card on the top of the deck and the spectator's card on top of that face up. Get a pinky break under both cards by sliding them across and then pulling back on the cards. This will let you pick up both cards with your other hand. Use the hand holding the deck to pull on the corners of both cards, and they will snap round, creating the illusion that the card visually changed. Place both cards back on the deck and then hand them out to the spectator to inspect. To perform this vanish, you just need one card. Grip the card between both forefingers as shown. This is a very simple trick to do, as you just need to rotate your wrists upwards with speed and it will look like the card vanished. Make sure you rotate the card until it's parallel with the floor. Touch your middle fingers together and this will hide the card even more. Practice this trick in front of a mirror for the best results. Hold 2 cards between your first finger, middle finger and thumb. Using your middle finger, pull the first card towards you in a snapping motion. Keep practicing this move until it's almost instantaneous. Make sure the card is angled towards the spectator's eye line so they don't see the hidden card. Now add a third card. Pull the card that is closest to you away from the others and perform the snap change on the remaining 2. The magician takes a deck of cards and is able to fan them out in a unique way. Split the deck in half, bend one half of the cards one way and the other half of the cards in the opposite direction. Then weave the cards together one by one in any way you please. Push the cards together and when you open them up they will automatically fan out in a peacock illusion. Hold the pen between your first finger, middle finger and thumb. Extend your middle finger slightly and pull back on the pen. This move is called the flip stick. Keep practicing the flip stick until it's fast. Now simply perform the flip stick under the cover of your other hand and the pen will appear to vanish. To reduce the pen, use your thumb to push the pen out and down. Again, cover this move with your other hand to create a visual reappearance. To vanish the pen a second time, perform another flip stick and then pull the pen out from your other hand. This trick is all about speed. The faster you are, the more deceptive it will be.